rocket goes off from Kennedy Space Center, we literally can stand. We could stand right here and watch him.
Except ask us if we saw Artemis.
Well, no, we're sleeping.
We got up 1 a.m. It was delayed. I had to go to work the next day. He had to go to work the next day. We slept through it.
We need to go no closer. We're literally, what, like...
You can see everything.
5 miles, air miles, maybe, from Kennedy.
And in fact, we'll probably show you one of the rocket launches in these next videos because SpaceX is going to town with the launches lately.
Hi again, this is Mark with Road Notes RV. This time we have a little problem that's behind the door that you can see me here, which is leading into our main bathroom, which is the location of our shower. And if you had an RV probably long enough, you've probably experienced a clogged shower drain once or twice. Hair gets down in there and it just starts to clog up. Now I know that you can't just put regular Drano down there or regular drain treatment that you would use for your house because of the gray tank material and the piping. It's a little bit different in an RV than in a traditional home. So we've done some research and we're going to try something to see if we can get it unclogged. Okay, so let's go have a look of how bad the clog actually is. So here's the shower, and here's the door, or I should say here's the wall where the gray tank is located at. So let's turn the shower on and see what we have. As you can see, water is already backing up. We have that little drain plug in there, which I'm going to remove. Okay, and we're gonna put some more water in. As you can see, water is just sitting here. It's not going anywhere. There's really hardly any siphon, any flow that goes down the shower drain. And we just have sitting and standing water in our tub. Okay, and here's another look from the outside in the rear of the coach. So this is the side where the shower is, and this is the side where our gray tank is. As a matter of fact, it is right behind this door. And here's our gray tank, and it comes out right here into this pipe right here, and then out to the drain that the campground provides as our sewer drain. So in order to get what I need is I have to get to the supermarket and to the store. So let's go there next.
Who told you that it was too late? When was it that you started leaning that way? Four tires cut into the clay. It dries up.
Hold on. Okay, let's do this thing.
All right, so we're going to unclog this shower. It's been draining very, very slowly, and I think the clog is probably much closer to the actual drain than the opposite end of the drain than here, because it takes a little while to back up. So what we're going to do is we're going to dump baking soda. You could do this like you could at home in your normal sink or shower. We're going to drop a little bit in, and then we're going to pour a little bit of vinegar.
Yeah.
Wait for it to bubble up. Drop a little bit more. Now I'm going to soak it with the vinegar. Now it should be making its way down the pipe. So just a little bit more vinegar, and then it's going to sit for about an hour. And then we're going to rinse it out with boiling water.
Does it have to be boiling or just hot?
Hot,
Hot,
yeah.
Maybe not boiling. Hour and a half later, we got hot water. It's already not backing up like it was. In fact, it's not backing up at all, is it?
Nope.
Put it in the hole there and see. Yeah, there's some pressure in there. It's
Doing good.
Whirling.
Yep. Draining up. There we go. So.
Yep. All right, guys. Call it a day here.
Yep. We'll see you soon.
Be safe. Drive safe.
Yep.
Stay safe. Till next time. Bye.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you